Today I am going to show you a visiting card. This is an advanced version of normal visiting card. This one you can update it anytime whenever you want by tapping or scanning. You can save it. For example, I will show you on live on mobile phone. Just if you tap it like this, if NFC compatible device, it will open your visiting card. Okay, like our website, everything will be showed off. If you click on add to contact button, all the details like such as this one, create new contact, and done. That's it. Next time when they are meeting, you can just check it out on contact list, like texture software development. In this one, all the details like even your phone number, social media, email address, location. If you tap it on location, you can visit our office location address. Everything will be on your contact list. It will be one card enough for 1,000 card. Instead of you printing 1,000 cards, you can use this one card. It is pocket friendly. If you just, if in future if you need to delete anything, any contact number or anything, you can just update it to this one. That is the advantage. And also we will do website development, digital marketing, branding kind of stuffs. If you have any custom software you want to build it, you can get in touch with our contact number. Everything, it will be available.